Hi everyone, you're welcome back to another interesting maths question. From here, we are asked to calculate the blue area, that is the area of this triangle. We have the length of this side to be 6.0 kilometers, and the length of this side is 8.0 kilometers. The size of this angle is a plus b. We have this angle to be 1/2 open bracket 180 degrees plus 2a, and the size of this angle is b. Here we can see this segment and this segment are congruent, and similarly this segment and this are also congruent. So how can we solve this? Starting with this side QR, its length is 8.0 kilometers, and we can see it is divided into two segments, this segment and this, which are equal. So each of the segments will be half the length of line QR, which is 8.0 kilometers. Half 8.0 kilometers is 4 kilometers. So their length each is 4 kilometers. Coming to this side PR also, since this segment and this segment are equal, their length each will be half this 6.0 kilometers, which is 3 kilometers. Now look at this angle here. It is an exterior angle of this triangle. We know the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. That is, this angle here is the sum of this angle and this angle B. So since its size is a plus b and this is b, this must be a plus b minus b. Plus b minus b is 0, so the angle is a. Now if you look at this angle, it is also an exterior angle of this triangle. We just established that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. That is, this angle is equal to the sum of this angle and this angle. So since its size is 1/2 open bracket 180 degrees plus 2a, and this is a, assuming this is c, 1/2 open bracket 180 plus 2a equal to a plus c. 1/2 open bracket 180 plus 2a is 1/2 times 180 plus 1/2 times 2a. 1/2 times 180 is 90 degrees, and 1/2 times 2a is a. So 90 degrees plus a equal to a plus c. Subtract a from both sides. Here a minus a is 0, and here a minus a is also 0. So 90 degrees equal to c, meaning c equal to 90 degrees. That is, this angle here is 90 degrees, meaning it is a right angle. The right angle shows that this line and this line are intersecting each other at right angles. So this angle, this and this are also right angles. Now back to this triangle in question. The formula for calculating the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. We can see this triangle is a right angle triangle. When calculating the area of a right angle triangle, the perpendicular sides can be taken as the base and the height. That is, if we take this side as the base, let's say x, this side must be the height, let's call it y. So base equal to x and height equal to y. Substituting here, blue area equal to 1/2 x times y. 1/2 x times y is 1/2 xy. Now look at this triangle. Because of this angle here, it is also a right angle triangle. We have the length of this side to be 3 kilometers. The length of this side is x, and this side, let's assume its length to be z. We can use the Pythagorean theorem on the triangle. The Pythagorean theorem states that the square of the length of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the length of the two other sides. The hypotenuse is the side facing the right angle, which is this here. So by Pythagoras, the square of this 3 kilometers must be equal to the sum of the squares of this x and this z. So 3 squared equal to x squared plus z squared. 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. So 9 equal to x squared plus z squared. Bring z squared to the left. So 9 minus z squared equal to x squared, which means x squared equal to 9 minus z squared. We keep it aside. Come to this triangle. It is also a right angle triangle. If we assume the length of this side to be k, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. This is the hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras, the square of this 4 kilometers must be equal to the sum of the squares of this y and this k. So 4 squared equal to y squared plus k squared. 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. So 16 equal to y squared plus k squared. Take k squared to the left. So 16 minus k squared equal to y squared, meaning y squared equal to 16 minus k squared. Now look at this line here. It bisects this side QR. That means it is a median of triangle PQR. And similarly, this side bisects this side PR. Therefore, it is also a median of triangle PQR. Now there is a triangle rule that the median of a triangle intersect at the centroid and divide each other in a specific proportion 2:1. That is, each median is divided into 2 segments such that one segment is twice the length of the other. So if we take this median here, we can see this segment is the longer segment. Therefore, it is twice the length of this side. So since its length is x and this is k, x equal to 2k. The same is for this median here. This is the longer segment. It is twice this segment. So since this is y and this is z, y equal to 2z. Divide both sides by 2. Here 2 cancels 2. While here y over 2 is 1 over 2y. So z equal to 1 over 2y. Substitute it into this equation. So x squared equal to 9 minus 1 over 2y all squared. 1 over 2y all squared is 1 over 2y times 1 over 2y, which is 1 over 4y squared. So x squared equal to 9 minus 1 over 4y squared. Here x equal to 2k. That is k equal to 1 over 2x. Come to this equation. Replace this k with 1 over 2x. 1 over 2x all squared is 1 over 4x squared. So y squared equal to 16 minus 1 over 4x squared. Multiply both sides by 4. Here y squared times 4 is 4y squared. While here 16 minus 1 over 4x squared all multiplied by 4 is 16 times 4 minus 1 over 4x squared times 4. 16 times 4 is 64. And minus 1 over 4x squared times 4 is minus x squared. So 4y squared equal to 64 minus x squared. Now recall here, x squared equal to 9 minus 1 over 4y squared. Replace this x squared with 9 minus 1 over 4y squared. So 4y squared equal to 64 minus open bracket 9 minus 1 over 4y squared. Minus into bracket 9 minus 1 over 4y squared is minus 9 minus 1 over 4y squared. Minus 1 over 4y squared is plus 1 over 4y squared. 64 minus 9 is 55. So 4y squared equal to 55 plus 1 over 4y squared. Take 1 over 4y squared to the left. So 4y squared minus 1 over 4y squared equal to 55. 4y squared minus 1 over 4y squared simplifying into a single fraction is 4y squared times 4 minus y squared all over 4. 4y squared times 4 is 16y squared. 16y squared minus y squared is 15y squared. So 15y squared all over 4 equal to 55. 15y squared is the same as 3y squared times 5. And this 55 is the same as 5 times 11. This 5 cancels this 5. So 3y squared over 4 equal to 11. Multiply both sides by 4. Here 4 cancels 4. Now divide both sides by 3. Here 3 cancels 3. So y squared equal to 11 times 4 all over 3. 11 times 4, I'll just say is 4 open bracket 11. So y squared equal to 4 open bracket 11 over 3. Now come to this our equation. X squared equal to 9 minus 1 over 4y squared. Replace this y squared with this value here. So x squared equal to 9 minus 1 over 4 open bracket 11 over 3. This 4 cancels this 4. So x squared equal to 9 minus 11 over 3. 9 minus 11 over 3 simplify into a single fraction is 9 times 3 minus 11 all over 3. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 minus 11 is 16. So x squared equal to 16 over 3. Now we have x squared equal to 16 over 3. And here y squared equal to 4 open bracket 11 all over 3. We come to this our equation. Blue area equal to 1 over 2 xy. Square both sides. Here 1 over 2 xy is 1 over 2 xy times 1 over 2 xy, which is 1 over 4 x squared y squared. So area of blue all squared equal to 1 over 4 x squared y squared. We substitute these values here. So blue area all squared equal to 1 over 4 times 16 over 3 times 4 open bracket 11 all over 3. This 4 cancels this 4. 1 times 16 over 3 times 11 over 3 is 16 times 11 all over 3 times 3. 16 times 11 is 16 open bracket 11. And 3 times 3 is 9. So blue area all squared equal to 16 open bracket 11 over 9. Take the square root of both sides. Here square root of blue area squared is area of blue, while here square root of 16 open bracket 11 all over 9 is square root of 16 times square root of 11 all over square root of 9. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 9 is 3. 4 times square root of 11 is 4 root 11. So blue area equal to 4 root 11 over 3 kilometers squared. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment, and also turn on notifications. Thank you.